How to create a WhatsApp account in 2024. This is the latest video for you. So I'm on the PC right now. If you're on your phone, you can simply click on the WhatsApp application, and there you can follow the steps to setting up your account or creating a WhatsApp account. For the PC, I can simply just log into my WhatsApp here, but I cannot create an account from it. But as you can see, I have already downloaded the WhatsApp in my laptop here. So this is the WhatsApp app, and whenever you will click on the app, you will see this type of menu in front of you. You simply have to click on the link from number option and select your country, in which country you reside, to enter your registered telephone number. Simply enter your mobile number here and then click on the next option. After entering your number, it will demand for an OTP that will come to your registered mobile phone in the number you will enter here. So let me just show you that how you can do it. This is my number. Click on the submit. And here you can enter this code on your device, then it will be logged into your PC. But if you want to create an account on WhatsApp application on your device, that will be more easier for you, and you just have to follow the prompts. Click on get started, enter your number, enter your OTP. So yes, you are done with creating your account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.